So I've had my solar system for about 7 years. A couple times over the years, my inverter has gone out. There's an app that's not always accurate as to when the system goes down. I would usually find out several months later. And usually during that time of the year with summertime, when the system is supposed to overproduce and build some reserves. And unfortunately, that's always when the system went down. So I'd always have several months of no production. And then I'd have a true up at the end of the year where I'd owe, $1,000, $2,000, which in the end economically doesn't make sense from, having the solar system. So that happened on multiple occasions, and since then I've been able to get those problems fixed. Turns out that the solar company that installed my panels went out of business, and Jerry connected me with the customer service department, and I reached out to schedule an appointment. We got the inverters covered by the manufacturer, and they came out with their service folks and installed inverters. Both times they've been working just fine. They came out when they said they were going to come out. They finished both jobs within the day, and then they also connected me with a new software that enabled me to track the production. Just being able to track on my app as to whether the system is working properly and get a feel for the months I'm overproducing, and then the other months that I need to catch up. But yeah, it's been great. Very quick, responsive, good team, did good work, and yeah, I've absolutely proven.